Hey, I'm Haley, here from Your House Fitness to teach you about the Cobra stretch. So really good abdominal stretch, really good if you have a tight back and you're in flexion or you're in a rounded spine a lot. We're gonna put our back in extension, give our back a good stretch. Really great stretch overall. So you're gonna start lying down with a straight spine, hands underneath your shoulders. You're gonna push into your palms and lift slowly. So you don't have to go as high as me, you go as high as you feel comfortable. If we break it down a little bit more, start facing the ground, pretend there's a tiny ball in front of you, and you're gonna push the ball with your nose and push yourself up slowly. You can keep your elbows in and your shoulders down away from your ears. But always hold those deep breaths. But I wanna give you a couple more progressions. So if that's a bit hard, you can do a baby cobra or sphinx pose on your forearms, right? We're pushing our forearms into the ground, relaxing our shoulders, lifting our chest. You can think of pushing your chest through your upper arms, pulling your elbows back towards you, sliding your shoulder blades down your spine. And let's hold here for a few breaths. This is a really great stretch for our upper back or our thoracic stretch, or thoracic spine. So hands or forearms, you get good stretches both ways. If this feels super unattainable, you can also do some extension sitting down, right? Just like a cat and cow. I think that's a really good place to start if on the ground feels a little bit too much for you. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the article. You can find the link in the description. Keep stretching. Have an awesome day.